Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to insert a text box in Google Sheets. In Google Sheets, the text box feature is known as a text box, but it is hidden inside the feature known as drawing. Right? So in insert, when you go, you will get an option known as drawing. In drawing option, there will come a text box button. See, this is the familiar text box button that we can recognize all, right? So once I click here, I'll click here and I can put it here, and this is a text box. Example text box. Once you are done with whatever you want to add in the text box, all you have to do is click it save and close, and it gets pasted, right? That's all. That's how you add a text box to Google Sheets. While here the process completes, and those who learn can close the video. But if someone wants to know additional things about this text box, they can stay. So here in this text box, we can also do some kind of designing portions to it. Let's say my text box, what you were seeing, they were having a color, right? Paint inside it. So that is like this bucket button. When you click this bucket button and choose any color, you can recolor your text box. You can resize your text box. You can move your text box, like putting these end portions like here, right? And one more thing you can do is you can change the font related settings in it. Let's say I want to use a different font. Let's say this Legend font I want to use. I want to increase the sign. I want to make them bold or italic. That part you can do. You can even change the font color like this, and that's how this is being done. And you can now save and close. So now when the text box comes up, it will come up with those changes here, right? That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.